Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we're talking about a pretty big subject, the launch of a blockchain. So we're gonna get into it. It's a pretty big deal, but before I do, I just got to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I am simply a geek on the internet, and sometimes I bring you things that are for entertainment value, or let you guys know about things that I think you might be interested in, and sometimes we just report on something that could be a big shift and a big change in the industry, and that is one of the things that we're talking about today, is the launch of the new blockchain Venom. I even got that. Not that Venom though. We're talking about this Venom. I'll give you my best. We are Venom, but that ain't the one. We are talking about Venom, secure by design and scalable by nature. So, it is the most anticipated blockchain launch of the year. We're going to be looking at it. It's launching on March 18th, 2024. Venom Blockchain is set to revolutionize the blockchain landscape. You can visit Venom Foundation and also follow at Venom Foundation on Twitter so that you can get regular updates. I do have that here so you can check it out. But this is where you'll want to come if you want those live updates. It is launching at time of recording tomorrow. So they have over 972 million testnet transactions, 164 million smart contracts accounts, and as well as 2.9 million wallets. Venom Blockchain is proving its scalability as well as its efficiency. And you can see kind of here some of the big things about it. Layer 0 blockchain, dynamic sharding, 100,000 transactions per second with an average transaction fee of less than 0.0002. So that is pretty cool, and a zero emission policy. All really great things to hear. It shows you where you can download your Venom wallet. A blockchain without boundaries. Their mission is to build a blockchain that will function as the mainnet infrastructure for a global ecosystem of Web3 applications, processing ultra-fast transaction speeds and infinite scalability to meet the demands of an ever-expanding user base. And that's pretty much it. Their mission is to tackle scalability, high transaction costs, and also poor user experiences in other blockchain networks. It aims to provide a secure, scalable platform for Web3 applications, and especially within the DeFi and global payment sectors. They are envisioning a future where blockchain technology is accessible, efficient, and supports a wide range of applications, transactions across, various industries. Build your decentralized application in minutes on the Asynchronous blockchain with a global use case application. Explore Web3 without constraints with our fast, user-friendly, low-cost blockchain, hosting a variety of exclusive decentralized applications. And you can see here, everything within their network: Venom Wallet, Venom Scan, where you can search and explore immutable records of Venom Blockchain. Venom Stake, you can stake your Venom tokens, enabling users to maximize rewards. Bridge, where you can explore the world of interchain transactions. Web3 World, where you can intuitively swap your assets, provide liquidity, and farm available assets. And your Oasis gallery here, where you'll be trading, unique digital assets, like NFTs, blockchain NFT marketplace. Venom's target audience is really going to be developers, organizations, as well as users who are seeking scalable, efficient, and cost-effective blockchain solutions for DeFi, global payments, NFTs, as well as decentralized identity applications or DIDs. And Venom contains like some unique technical aspects, including the threaded virtual machine right here, which is for efficient account interactions, dynamic sharding, account abstraction, and external messaging, arbitrary work chains, as well as the developer-friendly TSOL programming language. They have all of this. You can read about the TVM here. Provides highly efficient, scalable way to handle account interactions. Utilizing an actor model, TVM can isolate and parallelize. I'll be honest, that's the first time I've had to say that out loud. Parallelize actors, allowing for efficient handling of complex distributed systems. This makes the dynamic sharding protocol further groups account into shards, improving efficiency and enabling contracts to execute in an asynchronous mode. You have some other things here that you can read about. The account abstraction, the external messaging is a crucial feature of Venom that allows blockchain to interact with the external world seamlessly by bridging the gap between off-chain and on-chain systems. The Venom blockchain is able to receive data and events from external sources and use that information to trigger actions inside the blockchain network, even if the sender doesn't have an on-chain entity. And you can read more about each of these. TSOL is the developer-friendly language, offering unlimited potential and ease of use due to the fact that the TSOL is derived from Solidity, which developers with existing experience in C and C++, JavaScript, and C, I don't know what the C number is called, but they can all indulge in a frictionless onboarding due to syntax similarity. Then TSOL provides developers the tools to create complex smart contracts that can interact with other Venom blockchain accounts. I'm sure for a lot of developers that's really important. It's in one ear, out one ear for me. So, but I'm sure for a lot of you guys that might be really cool. You have the use cases here, the DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. You have SocialFi, you have DeFi, DC, as well as the DID I mentioned earlier, TradeFi, GameFi. So they are really looking to be across, have multiple use cases for everyone who would be interested in this. And Venom has already launched its testnet. It's obviously fixing to launch, showcasing significant technological capabilities such as those high transaction throughput and minimal latency. It's focusing on scaling and interoperability, as well as supporting a wide range of Web3 applications. You can see here the testnet transactions, 985,000, so almost a million. 985 million. I don't know what I'm reading. Almost a billion. 168 million smart contracts, 2 million wallets, almost 3. So yeah, it's just a large amount. And here, products that are accessible on the testnet are here: the Venom Wallet, Venom Scan, as I said, Stake before, Venom Pad, Oasis Gallery for the NFTs, Snipa, which is DeFi portfolio tracker designed for users to manage their assets. There is a lot of stuff here for the testnet, it's here, it's fixing to launch. Like I said, at the time of recording, it is launching tomorrow. But that kind of brings you to the idea of how can you engage with this? It's fixing to launch. What can you do? Well, you can, for starters, visit their page, visit their website, but you may want to do things like join their Discord. that's going to be a big one. Twitter, as I said, be sure to follow them in order to get the latest updates from them. You can also check out their Medium for updates and discussions and resources to learn and build on the network. And as you can see here on this, you can kind of see new milestones unlocked. Venom's 5th month recap, the road to Venom mainnet, 10 days to go. Obviously, much less time than that now. So this is going to be here very quickly. But I would highly suggest that if you're interested, that you go to those places. Those are a couple of things you can do. Also, some things you may want to do in preparation as well is set up your Venom wallet. That's a good way to get started. Following them on Twitter, as I mentioned before, but also acquire Testnet tokens by fulfilling tasks that are listed on their task page. Staying tuned is going to be one of the biggest things you can do, and just watching, but also contributing to farming pools, staking your Venom, and facilitate liquidity through the Venom bridge. All things that you can do. Also participating in the NFT commerce within the Oasis gallery, which will enhance the network's functionality and worth. All of this to say, it's a lot, but the Venom network, let me scroll in here. The Venom network is the epitome, or at least aiming to be the epitome of revolutionary power on the blockchain technology. Like, it is trying to be the best, and the potential airdrop coupled with the massive ecosystem that it's providing us presents a really compelling chance that for developers, for investors, and other blockchain aficionados to engage with this decentralized economic arena. It's giving a lot of people areas to utilize, there's not really much else to say from that. Here you can see Web3 world, where you can see swap, liquidity providing, farming, the DAO is they just have so much here. It's pretty exciting, realistically. I'm kind of excited for this launch. Well, kind of. I'm really excited for it. It's got so much for so many different people, and it really looks like it's going to be a great blockchain. And you can see here on the homepage right here of the DApp Explorer, you have Discord here, Twitter here. You've got Medium, you've got Telegram. You can check all of those out. We will obviously have links in the description, so you can check out all of that. They've got their white paper here you can check out. They've got documentations. That's another thing, as far as support goes. They have a lot of channels to utilize for support, whether it's their documentation, their developer tools, resources for both new and experienced blockchain users, and enthusiasts, both to learn about and build upon the network. It's crazy. It's just seeing it so well built out and so prepared and so ready for this launch that brings out the optimist in me. I guess is the best way I can say it. There's not really much else to say. It just looks great. I am interested to see what you guys think. With the tokenomics, we're looking at it'll be launching, as I said, as of recording tomorrow. Its listing price will be 16 tier 1 exchange. And it's going to be used for transaction fees, staking, governance, and accessing network services. It plays a pretty crucial role in the network security and functionality. Its distribution plan is basically the total supply of Venom tokens is capped, and with a portion allocated for public sale. The distribution plan is aiming to support, network growth and community engagement. But we'll just see how this goes. It looks fantastic. Check it out. That's the best I can say. When it launches tomorrow, go over there, the 18th. Check it out. See what you think. What do you guys think? Go ahead and post in the comments below. Are you going to be, hopping on? Have you already hopped on? I imagine we'll have a lot of people who are already ready for this launch with it being so widespread. Tell me about it. What's your experience been with Venom? What are you looking forward to the most? Is there a specific area that you're looking to dive into? Yeah, that's pretty much it. And as I said before, we are Venom. And that's the last time I'm doing that, I swear. Anyways, take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.